Hi, this is Prem. Welcome to this special episode about option strategy. Many friends requested me to share a video about option strategy, and in this video we will talk about the bull call spread. If you are new to options, then this video is not useful to you. I suggest you undergo basic options training with any of the expertise, or you can watch basics options videos available in YouTube. Plenty of videos are available in YouTube. That is where I learned about basics of options and option strategies. As the name indicate, bull call strategy is all about when we predict the market is bullish and the market is gradually moving up. That is where we will be using this bull call strategy. I have few slides to explain about the bull call strategy. We will walk through those slides now. Option strategies are classified into three categories: bullish, bearish and neutral strategies. If the market is bullish, we can use the bullish strategies. If it is bearish, we can use the bearish strategies. And if the market is neutral and if it is in a consolidation mode, then we can use the neutral strategies. Bull call spread. Our goal is to profit from gradual price rise in the underlying stock. In the bull call spread, minimum we should have two legs in call option. We should act as a buyer and we should also act as a seller. One long call with a low strike price and one short call with a higher strike price, and both has to be on the same underlying stock and on the same expiry date. So we should have a net cost debit in the bull call spread. So here I have an example to explain how this bull call spread. Now let us walk through the example given in this slider. Here the spot price of the stock is 900 and one long call with a low strike price. So here the call option, either we can trade in the money, at the money, or very close to at the money. So we are trading the call option in the strike price of 1000, where the premium is trading around 200. So when we do the call option trade, our premium 200 is debited from our account, and one short call with a higher strike price. So we have selected the higher strike price of 1300 for this underlying stock and a sell call option with a premium of 100. So we receive 100 points when we trade the sell call option here, and the net debit 200 minus 100 is 100 points for us. So in the call option, when the market moves up, our premium also increases. So when the market moves up from the spot price of 900 to 1100, so our premium, where we have 100 rupees as the net debit, it will be the break even at 1100. And beyond 1100, if the market increases, that is where our profit starts, and till 1300 our profit will increase, and beyond 1300 the profit will remain the same, because the profit made by the call option is compensated by the sell call option. So our profit will remain flat. Here the maximum loss will be rupees 100 and the maximum profit will be rupees 200. So irrespective of in whichever way the market violently moves, our maximum loss will be 100 and the maximum profit will be 200. This is the biggest advantage of bull call spread. So suppose if the market expires at 1050, so here probably even the market increases to 1050, so our net debit is 100, so we will get 50 rupees. So overall our net loss will be rupees 50 only. Now the same example is shown in the line chart. Here the yellow line is the spot price of the underlying stock. So we have plotted from 850 to 1400, and red line is the profit loss line overall, and the green line is the line representing the buy call option, and the blue line is the line representing the sell call options. So here till up to 1000 your loss stands at 100 points only. So once beyond 1000 your profit increases, so your loss diminishes and profit increases, and at 1100 is the break even, and beyond 1100 is the profit for you, and once it reaches 1300 your profit remain flat. So if you look at the green line and the yellow line, at 1300 your buy call option is showing increase in the profit and your sell call option is showing decrease in the profit. Overall it is adjusted, so your profit remain the same. So this is the biggest advantage of the bull call spread. So to summarize, here we predict the market will move up gradually, and this is only a prediction. So normally our prediction may be correct, may be wrong. If market behaves differently and if the market is not moving up and it is moving down, in this case your loss will be minimum, and if as per your prediction if the market moves up you will have a maximum profit of 200 in this case. Thank you for watching this video.